Hello, you're welcome. Are you wondering on how you can solve this maths problem? I will give you the shortest trick on working out this maths problem. So make sure you watch it up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So in our solution, we have 5 to the power of a, then also multiply by 5 to the power of a is equals to 50. So let's remember that assume we have a to the power of m, then also multiply by a to the power of n. This one can also be written as a to the power of m plus n. So meaning that the multiplications shall now change to addition. So here now we shall have 5 to the power of a, then also multiply by 5 to the power of a. The result now shall be 5 to the power of a plus a. So how many a's we have? So we have 2 a's. So now we shall now have 5 to the power of 2a is equals to 50. So what is the best thing for us to solve a? So let's now introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 5. So the log of 5 to the power of 2a should also give us the log of 50. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m the log of p. So that's to mean that our log of 5 to the power of 2a shall be written as 2a the log of 5 is equals to the log of 50. So from here now we shall remain with 2a by dividing both sides by the log of 5, then this side also by the log of 5. So that now when we cancel the numbers, log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 2a is equals to the log of 50 all over the log of 5. So here now let's simplify this maths problem by now having our 2a to be now is equals to the log of 50 can also be written as the log of 25 multiplied by 2. Then from there all over our log of 5. So next now we shall say that, so you can remember that assume we have the log of a, b, this one can also be written as the log of a add to the log of b. So that's now we shall now have 2a to be is equals to the log of 25 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So we shall now use the log of 5 to divide both sides by the log of 5. So now our value for 2a shall be now is equals to the log of 25 can also be written as the log of 5 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 2, then all of them we shall divide both sides by the log of 5, then also this side by the log of 5. So here now we shall say that our 2a is equals to the log of 5 to the power of 2 shall also be written as 2 the log of 5, then all over the log of 5 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So let's now simplify the ones that are common. So that now we shall say that 2a is equals to, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so now shall remain with 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So by using this formula here, we shall now say that our 2a is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So let's now remain with a alone because we are looking for the value of a. So now we shall divide both sides by 2, then also this one also by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now our a is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5 all over 2. So all over 2. So from there now we shall say that, so when you simplify this maths problem, our value for a shall be, so 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus, so this side now we shall have 1 over 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now this one now shall qualify to be our correct answer. So if you really loved how we worked it out, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm it very fast. So we had 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of a is equals to 50. So we'd worked out this one out by now having now 5 to the power of 2a is equals to 50. So let's now use our a to be 1 plus a half the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 2 into bracket a half the log of 2 to the base of 5 is equals to 50. So from here there now we shall say that 5 to the power of 2, then here now we shall say that multiply by, because into bracket means multiply by, then we shall also have 5 to the power of a half, then remember it was 2 into bracket the log of 2 to the base of 5 is equals to 50. So 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5, that is 25, multiply by, so here now shall have, so the log and log shall cancel, so the log to the base of 5 by 5 shall cancel, so now shall remain with 2 is equals to 50. So 25 multiplied by 2 is 50 is equals to 50. So it means that we are very correct when we say that our value for a in this case, a is equals to 1 plus a half the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.